Introducing the SP Tools 12-volt quarter-inch SX Drive Cordless Ratchet Kit. The perfect lightweight powerhouse for tight spaces. This compact mini ratchet delivers exceptional working torque and spins up to 2,200 revolutions per minute with smooth, variable speed control. The SP83613US features reversible action, a built-in LED light, an ergonomic high-grip handle, and an ultra-compact head design. It's built for lightning-fast fastening and removal in the tightest automotive machinery and confined work areas. The kit includes the 12-volt 2.5 ampere-hour battery and fast charger, so you're ready to work right out of the box. Pro-grade performance that fits anywhere. Success is built with SP Tools.